In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money on Remitly. So the first thing you want to do is go to remitly.com, and then what you want to do is log in and then select a state or a country from which you are sending. So in my case, it's going to be United States. And then what you then want to do is go over here to where it says send money, and then down here it will say send money to, as you can see, and you want to select a country you'd like to send the money to. So let's say I want to send to Australia, okay? And then once I've selected the country, you will get it to the next page where it will be asked and where you will see the exchange rate, okay? You can see that 1 USD is about 1.53 Australian dollars, and then you want to press send money. And then once you are on the next site over here, you have to choose how much you want to send. So let's say I want to send $20, which equals to 30.61 Australian dollars, okay? And now as you can see, we get a free discount. And then the total is 20 USD, and you want to press continue. And then over here, you can decide whether you want to give a bank deposit, so you want to deposit to a bank, or do a cash pickup. So let's say I want to deposit to a bank. There we go. You then have to select the bank you're depositing to. So let's say it's going to be the Commonwealth Bank. And then what you want to do is put in your account number and your BSB, and then go continue and finish the bank detail informations to which you are sending, and then your bank details from which you are paying, and that's pretty much it. That's how you send money on Remitly.